Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart phone from here. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on Settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. And click on reset phone and click on reset network settings. After click on reset network settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.